there is one concept is there. Reciprocation. Reciprocation means
Whatever
any
we
word.
give will come back to us.
Reciprocation. Reciprocation. Paraspara sahakaram. What it means is mutual cooperation. If you are giving something, they have obligation. Compulsory they require to return back. Compulsory they require to return back. They have some obligation. Compulsory. Then obviously, unconditionally fulfill their requirement. Then obviously, the things are going to work out in our way. That is what influence principle, reciprocation, the same concept only. There is one country is there named with Ethiopia. How many people are there? Ethiopia. Have you heard about at least the word?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, African.
Ethiopia. There is one country is there, Mexico. Mexico. You ever right? Mexico.
Yes, sir.
Mexico. Yeah.
Yes.
There is one country is there named with Egypt. You ever right? Egypt.
Yeah, in Africa.
Yeah, Africa, there. What happened is these are nearby countries. Mexico, Ethiopia.
Mexico is near US.
These are, what happened is Ethiopia, the people are struggling like anything. Man. The people are struggling like anything. So there are several people who are going to die, who are dying because of lack of food and so on in Ethiopia, almost in 1985, those days, 1985, like 1985, they're struggling like anything. But in Morocco, I hope Morocco or Mexico, I'm not sure exactly the country name. Forget about country name, Morocco. There's a big earthquake came in 1985. There's a big loss to that Morocco or is it Mexico? There's a big loss to that 1985. Exactly this was happened. Then believe me, Ethiopia donated multiple millions of dollars to the Morocco. Huge money donated to that country because earthquake came, they struggled like anything like that. Is it a wrong decision, right? The people are dying, lack of food in this country, but he is trying to help them. Is it a wrong decision or not? Can you please confirm?
No, sir. It's
Yeah,
not
friends,
a wrong decision.
the people are dying here, lack of food, but they provided huge money as the donation for that. What things forced them for that donation? What things forced them for that donation is
Humanity, sir.
no humanity. Okay, India is there. So which country it is supporting? Is it supporting for Israel or is it supporting for Palestine?
According to me, sir,
No, Israel.
sir, India is supporting humanity. That's what I believe.
India is there. Is it supporting for Russia or is it supporting for Ukraine?
Neutral.
Not both, sir.
Russia.
We are neutral.
So that is the game. Okay. So that's what we should not involve that level. Okay, don't worry. Here, what Ethiopia, of course, their country people are dying lack of food. But what is the need of donating for some other country? Not humanity grounds at all. Humanity grounds is going to be helpful. If we are safe, then we can help. Na situation correct my situation is not good. Where is the question of helping? This type of question definitely is going to be raised. Suppose you are struggling like anything, man. Your friend came, can you please give? Whatever the money you have, you give to your friend. Your wife is going to give left and right. Our kids, our situation only not good. How you can help that person? If you are good, you can help. But your position is not up to the mark, then how you can help? Like, definitely, this is the humanity when, if you are good, okay, like not by struggling. I told right in the first lesson, first chapter somewhere in the last session, sir, to lighten some other person's house, you should not burn your own house. Getting right? To lighten a lamp in opposite person's house, you should not burn your own house. So, when humanity will come into the picture is, if you are at good position, then you can help them. It's highly recommended. But Ethiopia people helped millions of dollars to the Morocco or Mexico. I don't know. I didn't remember that country name. Why? What is the reason for that? The reasoning is, listen very carefully, man. Very soon I will add this topic also in this series. Actually, this is from some other series I will. The reason for that is exactly 50 years before. Exactly 50 years before. 1985 this was happened. 50 years before means 50 years before means 1935. You respond. 1935, correct, right? 1935. Egypt came to do the war, declare the war on Ethiopia.